An herbarium is a library of plant specimens, and any herbarium can cover either a large geographic range like a country or a continent, or even all of Europe or Asia, or a small geographic range such as ours here at Jasper Ridge, which is specimens specific to Jasper Ridge, and it's plant specimens that have been collected over time. The importance is care. So if you're going to keep this library of plant specimens, the first thing we like to do is hope that they're carefully collected, and there are best practices in collecting plants, and you see some of that. And then once you've collected the plants, you're going to press and mount and identify the plants, and there are best practices associated with that. So for instance, here at Jasper Ridge, we always have 2 botanists verify the identification of the plant, and we use the Jepson manual as our taxonomic source to give the plant its specific Latin family, species, or subspecies. And then lastly, when you press and mount, you do this carefully and hopefully including all of the important parts of the plant that are necessary for someone to look at its taxonomy, look at the parts that are needed for identification like fruit, nut, or seed, or flower, or any combination, and preserve that carefully on its mounted specimen, and then here inside the herbarium, where it's in a climate-controlled environment where we regulate both the humidity and the temperature, so that we can keep plant specimens for long periods of time. Our oldest specimen is from 1867, and it's still preserved in